Time to go, y'all. Now I just gotta change, put some clothes on, and we out. Keep that closed, keep all the fumes out for when Charmaine comes in the office. Got my coffee. Y'all gonna roll with me today. I gotta get used to talking behind this camera. I'm not used to a camera all day and everything I do, but you're gonna see my daily from now on. Or at least once out the week, something like that. Promise you the videos will get better each week. We out. Gotta gas up the trunk, trailer, all the equipment. Gotta gas it all up. Easy breezy.
Well, at least we saw where that led to. Don't give up the hand signals. Don't tell them our handshake. Gosh, you give up the handshake. Oh, I would give Rory, Cam, and Christelle and them up in a heartbeat. I would paint them out to be a fucking Rico crime organization. Running around cleaning all these cities. Get me going. And then they introduced them all to the Deuce crew.
What's up, y'all? Just cut this yard. Every time we cut it, she comes out and gives us a tip. I told her she don't have to. I told her that like 2 months ago. But she's in a limousine business, so she feel like a tip is necessary each time we come. And it's a big tip. It's almost more than what she charges, what we charge for the yard. So it's a blessing. When you're in this service industry, the tips go a long way with the workers. For some reason, I do a little more in this yard each time. It was covered in leaves. I picked up all the leaves and got that taken care of. I would never charge extra on this yard for any leaves or anything like that, just cause she didn't pay for it over the season, like double. So that's just one of the yards. Keep you updated on the next one. The next house we about to do. A lot of leaves. Check the backyard. Backyard's pretty big. Quick cut should take me about 15, 20. I'll show you guys the after in a minute. Just finished this one. Check it out. Got rid of all those leaves you seen. Striped it up pretty good. Knocked the back out. All the leaves are removed. Striped up. Alright, y'all, the day's done for me cutting. Now let's go up in here and see what's going on at the office. Back at the office. Who's in here? Oh, hey, who are you?
Hi.
Who are you? What's your name?
Charmaine.
What do you do here?
Everything.
Awesome. She does do everything. She actually does everything. Look at her working. That's who grew the company, guys. John.
He's a photographer now,
Yeah.
Really cool. Hey, Jeremy, a dad, ain't he? It's so funny.
No, tell me about it. Say what?
It's just so funny that you're a father figure now, because you used to tell us about how we raised our kids. Now you raised one. Allegedly.
They have a better understanding of what's going on instead of little talk, you know. She has a new experience.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. Look at that. Okay.